So, dear students, today we are going more deeply to that topic, altitude and median. Only I have given you in the previous class what is altitude and what is median with the help of diagram. Today we will be discussing about more into it. Now, first of all, I will be telling you that suppose there is a father, okay, and father has three sons, okay. Suppose you take Ram, Shyam, and Krishna. Suppose you have these three names, okay. Ram, Shyam, and Krishna. Suppose you have taken these names. So tell me, although they are the son of the same father, but can you tell me the quality of every son will be same? Just tell me the answer. What do you say? So remember, beta, every child is not having the same property, although they are the son of the same father. Okay, same like you people are brother and sister, and you people are having the own quality. You have your own quality, your brother will be having own quality. Some qualities will be similar, but all qualities will not be similar to both of you. Okay, same goes with triangle also. That altitude and median, the definition goes same, but in all the type of three triangles, the diagram of altitude and median will be little different. So I am going to tell you today about altitude. Median is although same in all the figures. Median will be same in all the figures, but altitude drawing is little different. The question asked by Saransh was last period, I think he's asked from me, ma'am, is there any triangle where altitude is drawn exterior also? Yes, it is for the topic today, which we are going to cover. Okay.
Mom,
Now
right.
you are knowing we have three types of triangle: altitude, acute, right angle, and obtuse. I'm talking about according to the sides, according to the angles. Acute, right, and obtuse. We are talking about the classification on the basis of angles. Okay. Now, सबसे पहले I am talking the altitude in acute triangle. Okay. Altitude I'm telling you now in acute angled triangle. When we talk about acute angled triangle, beta, the median comes inside only, or altitude also comes inside only. It means acute angled triangle is a triangle where all the altitudes are drawn inside only. For example, suppose this is an acute angle triangle, name is ABC. So remember, altitude will be this. First altitude, I have told you yesterday how to draw this. First altitude is AD. Second altitude is BE, which is altitude for the line AC. And the third altitude is CF for AB. These are all three altitudes, and remember, in acute angled triangle, all the altitudes will be drawn internally. No portion will come outside when you talk about acute angled triangle. I hope it is clear, and remember, it is not necessary you draw all three. It is okay to draw only one also. Like in question number 2, first one, it is asking from exercise 6.1, draw a rough sketch for the following. The first one, it is telling in triangle ABC, BE is median. So I'm telling you the first diagram, triangle ABC it is telling. So I will draw first A, B, C. Then it is telling that the altitude should be BE. BE का मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा? बेटा, it is drawn from B. Because you can see there is no point such E. E यहाँ पर कोई भी point नहीं है ABC में. It means you are drawing the altitude from B. So it means it will go like this. So this is BE. This is BE now. So the first figure will be drawn like this. So once again, I am repeating this line. In acute angled triangle, the altitude will be drawn in its interior only. Now I am talking about the right angled triangle. Now let me read the question once. It is telling here, in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitudes of triangle. Now look at here. I am showing you the diagram. You will understand very properly. This is, I am talking about right angle triangle. बेटा रिमेंबर, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल एक ऐसा ट्राइंगल होता है जिसमें एल्टीट्यूड आप ड्रॉ भी नहीं करोगे ना, तो भी उसमें अपने आप ही दो प्री मेड एल्टीट्यूड्स पहले से होते हैं। वंस अगेन टेलिंग यू, राइट एंगल्ड ट्राइंगल में पहले से ही खुद से प्री मेड एल्टीट्यूड्स पहले से ड्रॉ होते हैं। लेट मी टेल यू हाउ। सो दिस इज ओनली अ ट्राइंगल। राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल एक ऐसा ट्राइंगल है जिसमें अपने आप खुद से हाइट होती है। आपको अलग से हाइट ड्रॉ करने के लिए एक अलग ड्रॉ करोगे आप, बट इसमें पहले से भी हाइट प्रेजेंट होती है, और यू कैन कॉल इट पहले से ही इसमें एल्टीट्यूड होता है। नाउ लेट मी टेल यू हाउ। सी, this is a right angle triangle, whatever the name is, the first altitude is this. Now you must be thinking, ma'am इसमें opposite side से तो आ ही नहीं रहा है. Now look at here, see, according to your definition says opposite side, opposite vertex to the opposite side, the line segment and making the 90-degree angle. Now look at here, a line segment joining from the vertex coming to the opposite side and making 90-degree angle is called altitude. It means ये तो पहले से altitude इसमें हमारे पास है, हमने इसमें extra कुछ draw ही नहीं किया अभी. This is the first altitude. Now second, look at here, opposite vertex joining the line segment to the opposite side and making the 90-degree angle. The second altitude. It means right angled triangle is a triangle in which two altitudes are there which are pre-made. मतलब बिना बनाए ही पहले से प्रेजेंट होते हैं, and both are the sides of the triangle. Both are the sides of the triangle, and this is only in the case of right angled triangle. I hope it is clear. Please reply. Now, according to the names of the book, it is telling here that you should have a triangle PQR. PQR, where PQ and QR are the altitudes of the triangle. It's correct. Look at here in this figure, PQ and QR. Both are altitude, which is also taught by me just now. So I have just introduced, I have molded my question according to the question's requirement. Now, once again telling you, suppose if MCQ comes in your test or exam, which triangle is a triangle where its sides are only the altitudes? So the correct answer will be a right angled triangle. Okay. Now I will be telling you for the obtuse angled triangle. Please first you draw this. So we have discussed acute, we have discussed right. अब थर्ड वाले में बात करते हैं ऑब्ट्यूज की. इसकी प्रॉपर्टी थोड़ा सा अलग है. कैसे अलग है बेटा? ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल अगर आपने ड्रॉ किया, so it will be looking like this, where one of the angle is obtuse. तो याद रखिएगा बेटा, जब हम इसमें ड्रॉ करते हैं एल्टीट्यूड, तो हमारा ये वाला एल्टीट्यूड तो बिल्कुल सही है, ये सही जाएगा. एक एल्टीट्यूड आपका अंदर ही ड्रॉ हो सकता है, लेकिन बचे हुए दो एल्टीट्यूड आप ड्रॉ नहीं कर पाओगे. If you will be drawing like this, you will never get 90 degree. You will never get 90 degree because 90 degree line says it should be exactly straight. And here for both of this side, you will not be able to draw 90 degree angle. Okay? So remember, this is why we use the exterior position for this one. Suppose अगर मुझे इससे altitude draw करना है, तो वो बाहर आता है. Obtuse angle triangle is a triangle where the altitudes are drawn outside. So this is the altitude.
Right triangle.
This is now acute. Sorry, not acute. This is altitude now, and it is drawn in exterior position. It is drawn in exterior position. Now what we are doing? ये line जो हो जाएगी, ये कहलाएगी इसकी altitude. Now I am giving the name according to the book. The name is telling here, you have to draw XYZ triangle, XYZ. So I'm taking it this one, X, Y, Z. Then it is telling that altitude will be YL. Altitude will be YL, and it should be in the exterior of triangle. It should be in the exterior of triangle, and you can see here, this is the exterior position of the triangle. और बेटा याद रखिएगा ये जरूरी नहीं है कि हमने इसमें ड्रॉ किया तो हम क्यों ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, हम इसलिए ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं क्योंकि इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू ड्रॉ द एल्टीट्यूड इनसाइड फॉर बोथ ऑफ दिस साइड्स। अगर आप बनाओगे ना, आप खुद से ट्राई करके देखो, इफ यू विल बी ट्राइंग इट एंड यू विल बी ज्वाइनिंग फ्रॉम द ऑपोजिट साइड, इट विल नेवर मेक 90 डिग्री एंगल। ठीक है, इट विल नेवर मेक 90 डिग्री। दैट इज वाई इसका जो एल्टीट्यूड होता है वो बाहर की तरफ आएगा।